Thanks for checking out my cooking channel. Welcome to this week's Wicked Wild Barbecue. Today I'm going to make a wonderful, beautiful Caribbean pork sausage wrapped in bread with an incredible, tasty, zesty barbecue sauce. So before we start, I need to make a couple of utensils. A whisk. Here is a sea grape, a Caribbean sea grape. This is a citrus tree, beautiful for carving. It's a hardwood. Wonderful for barbecuing, citrus, very nice for fish, very nice for game, pork, things like that. And I never get to see the sea grapes because all the Rasta men that live on these beaches take them before I get a chance because they're absolutely delicious and they only go into fruitation twice a year. So, right, just a couple of these. That's all I want. Going to give that a bit of a wash and going to get some seawater, which I'm going to use in my cooking. Tell you in a bit. Now the seawater goes into my little pot like that. Why? I'm going to boil my sausages on this. Why seawater? It's already salted. Give it a little bit of flavor. We're in the bush. Let's keep it natural, shall we? All right. The bread dough. I've mixed here yeast with a little bit of brown sugar. Yeah. Already mixed together, okay? And what I'm going to do is to whisk it with some warm water. Right, so warm water in the pot. I'm here on the west coast of St. Lucia on a place called Troya Beach. It's beautiful, it's a very local beach. You don't really get many tourists down here. Nice little cove, very clear when the sun is out and there's been no storms. So, whisking like so, my yeast, and what I'm going to do is leave that for approximately 10 minutes or until it foams up. Right, tomatoes. I'm using cayenne chilies, garlic, and this stinks. I can't tell you how bad this smells. Shrimp paste. Now, shrimp paste is an Asian fermented shrimp. It does smell. I mean, they put it out in the dry sea air to ferment in the sun. Once it gets to that pasty paste like so, you cook with it. When you add this to the fire and it gets dry, it's absolutely wonderful. Right, so orange salt, lime salt, sorry. I had orange salt in my last bit, so orange salt. Oil, vegetable oil. And now, basically, I'm just going to wrap this like a little money pocket, like so, right? I'm going to keep that there, right on the side, to slowly cook for approximately 20 minutes. So I moved the chilies because they were getting very, very hot and I don't want to burn them. So I've just elevated them slightly and moved them on the side because I want these to barbecue low and slow. Right, so the bread, flour. Make sure you're downwind for this one because my producer camera buddy here has just got a face full of flour. Salt, yeah? And this is basically 3 cups flour, 1 cup water, half a cup of oil, 4 tablespoons of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. All virgins here, you know. Right. 1 hand. Very simple. And you see, mixing the yeast and the sugar together has formed the sugar has activated the yeast, right? Which is exactly what I wanted. That's why I mix the yeast together with the sugar first. And the warm water has to be just enough that you can put your hand in it without burning yourself. If you burn it, you'll kill the yeast. You won't activate the yeast. So that's it. Simple, one-handed, leaning, enjoying a beautiful Caribbean view. Give it a knead, just like so. And we need this, well, ideally you could knead it for about 15 minutes, but this dough can take it for 2 to 3 minutes. And what you do is knead it until everything on the side of the bowl disappears, just like so, yeah? Falling over here. That's what happens when you're 120 kilos, is about 250, 60 pounds. Yes, stupid Sherlock here needs to lose a little bit of weight. Not as a spring chicken as I used to be. Right. So, that's it, folks. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Huh? That, nice. Simple, delicious, fresh bread made on the beach. So from the pork, I'm going to add some cloves. So it's got a lot of Caribbean spices here, yeah? Some allspice, which is slightly peppery, and cinnamon, onion spice like onion powder. This gives a nice little richness to my sausage. Coriander powder. Yes, nice beautiful seasoned sausage here, and some garlic salt. I'm not using regular salt, garlic salt. Nice, wonderful flavors. Right, so give that a nice mix, just like so. Get your hands in there. Nice. Already smells delightful. Right. Easy as that, folks. Sausage casing. First thing up, I need to make sure I open one side, like that, and then slightly limited space on the beach here. Place it on the end, like so. Yeah. Make sure that the sausage is in the middle. Tie the end so the sausage meat doesn't come flying out when you push the sausage through. So put your sausage in the end, like so. It's a little fiddly, but it works. Don't mind if it pokes out the end. I've got a rolling pin that I'm going to just push it down into my sausage, as you see, just like so. Yeah. Not too difficult, folks, not too difficult. So that's the last bit pushed through, like so. Squeeze it down and give it a tie. Tie it a couple of times. Take a small knife. Cut the ends, put some on the barbie. Now to the other end. Placing these in the seawater and let them slow cook on both sides for about 15 to 20 minutes. Sausages are ready, so I'm just going to take them out and pop them on the side to cool slightly. Just leave them there on the side. and my chili sauce. It's hot. Empty everything out like so. And what's fantastic about this is the aluminium foil has absorbed all the flavor. It's all steamed inside, so you haven't lost any of those wonderful, beautiful flavors. Look at that. So, chili sauce, a tad of lime salt, some nice olive oil, and we just pound away. Make sure you squash out all the flavors from the chili, from the garlic, and mix it in like so. It smells absolutely divine. Something quite special about barbecuing your ingredients to make a chili sauce. Absolutely spectacular. I can't wait to try this. Right, let me have a little sample. Oh, a piece of stock from the chili. A nice aromatic roasted flavor from the fish, the smelly fish sauce. When it's roasted, delicious. A hint of lime. I smell, I taste the garlic, fragrance from the garlic, and a nice hint of chili right at the back. This sauce is delicious. That delicious. I'm going to have one more little taste. Wow. The bread. Right. So we'll keep it simple. Going to just, it's rustic. Yes. Going to just fold it over like that. And don't worry if it doesn't go all the way around, folks, because we've got plenty more to go around. Look at that. Look at that. Going to place that on the barbecue. Right. My favorite part, the finish. So, I'm going to cut the bread like so. Some nice chili sauce. Wow. I can't wait to try this. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Some chili sauce. Let's put the chili on there, shall we? Let's be brave. Whoa. That oozes texture, flavour. The chilies, the bread's crispy on the outside, the chili sauce is slightly spicy. Combined all together, all those aromatic spices, this dish is a winner. Absolutely divine. Wonderful. Thanks for taking time to watch this, folks. Don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also, please subscribe to my cooking channel. That's the chili getting in the back of my throat by clicking over my shoulder right there. Thanks for watching, folks. Bon appetit.